approach AirPod 2, 9,500, descending 6,000.
Red bar 349, descend and maintain 2,000.
To maintain 2,000, around 349.
United 2434, climb to 10,000, call New York 2085.
10,000, 2085.
Whenever you can, approach us.
Good morning, JetBlue 1889, expedite to 6,000, heading 260.
Heading 260, expedite up
left,
10,000,
right.
Blue 18.
United 2062, radar
on the
contact,
ground.
heading 040, climb maintain 6,000.
Heading 040, climb 6,000, United 2060.
Set for the
Lever
approach.
4515, descend to 4,000.
10,000 complete. Or you can check in again.
Yeah, New York, good morning, AirPod 2, 8,000, descending 6,000.
AirPod 2, contact 12015, 2015, AirPod 2.
12015, at what?
JetBlue 1889.
New York, good morning, AirPod 2, 7,500, descending 6,000.
Approach Red bar 349, leveling 2,000.
Okay, want to go.
349, Newark approach, roger. Newark approach, Brickyard 36, 4474 for crank 7,000, information, Quebec. Number 4587, Newark approach, house 4 right, Newark altimeter 3003. 034 right, 4587. United, yes, United 2631, Newark.
New York, AirPod 2.
AirPod 2, Newark approach, good morning, at a South Island, Zulu runway 6 approach, go directive Vings, descend and maintain 3,000.
Direct wing is descend and maintain 3,000, AirPod 2.
Okay, 3,000 VNAV off and Vings.
Brickyard 36,
Direct.
44, 7,000, information, Quebec. Brickyard 36, 44, Newark approach, good morning, Island runway 4 right, Newark altimeter 3003. 30034 right, Brickyard 36, 44. Red bomb 349, reduce speed to 200.
Following 200, Red bar 349.
Red bomb 349, 5 Danny, left heading 09 to 2000, established localized, put out Zulu runway 6.
090, Delta, clear to Outlet, Zulu 6, Red bar 349.
Number 4587, descend and maintain 6,000. Brickyard 3644, descend and maintain 6,000. Descend 6,000, Brickyard 3644. United 2631, direct departure, climb maintain 8,000. Maintain 8,000, United 2631.
Never not busy here.
Yeah.
Even at 6:30 in the morning.
Red bar 349, contact Teterboro Tower 119.5.
19.5, Red bar 349.
Nice colors though.
Yeah.
United 2631, climb maintain 10,000, 120.85.
Okay, 10,000 and 2085, United 2631.
Oh, one to go.
Newark departure, United 480, passing 1,000, first 3,000.
Alaska 282, Newark approach, altimeter 3003, Quebec, Dallas runway 4 right. United 480, direct departure, radar contact. Full checking on here. Call Newark approach again, please. Would somebody check down Newark here? United 480 Newark.
United 480, 2.3 for 3.
United 480 Newark, departure, good morning, search and loss heading 280, climb maintain 8,000.
Heading 280, maintain 8,000, United 480.
Thank you, your radar contact leaving 2700.
Approach United 1833, passing 11 for 7, we have Quebec.
Yeah, 1833, Newark approach, house 4 right, Newark altimeter 3003.
3003, 4 right, United 1833.
Approach, good morning, this is Kramer 1404, 4,000 feet to SJ. Kramer 1404, Newark approach, good morning, it is Alpha Isla Zulu, runway 6. Isla Zulu, runway 6, Kramer 1404. Kramer 1404, fighting 270, vector to final. Heading 270 to Kramer 1404. Number 4587, flighting 190, contact approach 128.55.
2855, heading 190, Lumberg, 4587.
Oscar 282, flighting 090, vector to final, descend and maintain 6,000.
090 down 6, Oscar 282.
Approach United 341, 10 to 9, pads, information Quebec.
United 341, Newark approach, morning, out 4 right, altimeter is 3003.
Good morning.
Ghost needles.
Copy that.
United 480, turn right heading 340, climb maintain 10, 10,000.
Heading 340, maintain 10,000, United 480.
Breaker 3644, fighting 190, contact approach 128.55.
190, heading 12855, Brickyard, 3644.
Airpod 2, descend to maintain 2,000.
2000, airport
United 341, turn left heading 090, and descend to maintain 6,000.
Alright, left heading 090, down 6,000, United 341. Yeah, 1979, 2 for 3,000.
United 1979, direct departure, ready contact, turn left heading 270, climb maintain 10, 10,000.
No.
Left
We're going to steal the Bravo.
10,000 feet, United 1979.
Dispute it.
282, turn right heading 110.
Heading 110, last.
That's my bad. Bravo's from 1800.
As we're just passing the
Yeah, it's fine.
step.
Go down quicker.
Airpod 2, speed to discretion.
Speed our discretion, airport.
Kramer 1404, descend to maintain 3,000.
Maintain
3,000, Kramer 1404. United 1979, contact departure 120.85.
2000.
2085, 1979, good day.
Yeah, 1833, heading 190, vector sequence.
190, United 1833.
Airpod 2, Fox Danny, left heading 090, 2000, establish localized, declare Isla Zulu, runway 6.
Tell the steps on localize their 090 to Dandy airport 2.
Yep, and Isla Zulu, runway 6,
And
clear
clear.
for the approach.
Zulu runway 6, clear for the approach airport 2.
United 341, heading 110.
Okay.
110, United 341.
Alaska 282, heading
Alright,
140.
L nav screen.
Heading 140, last.
Please see.
Kramer 1404, flying 240.
Slowing down a bit.
Heading 240, Kramer 1404. United 341, heading 120.
120, heading United.
AirPod 2, contact Teterboro Tower 119.5.
Teterboro Tower, AirPod 2.
1833 descend and maintain 6,000.
Teterboro Tower, good morning. AirPod 2, Isla Zulu, runway 6, parking signature. Signature west.
Tower, runway 6, clear to land, which signature?
Signature west, AirPod 2.
And clear to land.
And clear to land, AirPod 2.
Alright, flaps down please.
Speed checks. 10 select.
Teterboro 71 and company, cross runway 1 at Golf.
Okay, 1,500 feet.
Golf, Solid 1 on Golf and to the Golf East. Teterboro 711, company.
Runway in sight.
Check.
Safe flaps down and 1,500 at Dandy. Is a good place to... Localizer captured, glide slope is armed, and we're level at 1,500 feet. Looks good. Alright, flaps 20. Speed checks. 20 selected.
Ball for Romeo on Teterboro 711.
And gear down.
Roger.
Speed checks.
Tower, Tunnel Flight 905 with Alpha, signal to west, ready
116. 3,000 on the altitude for the mist.
Town Flight 905, have to retire. There's going to be inbound.
I see 3 greens and flaps full, please.
Signature west ramp behind them, runway 1, taxi via Papa Golf, hold short, runway 6 Golf.
Good behind him, Papa.
And before landing
short,
checklist.
Before landing. Landing area 3 greens, 30.
Tower 905, hold short, runway 6
We are
at
clear to
Golf.
land.
Okay. Hold short,
Lights are all on.
Tunnel Flight now.
And before landing complete.
Copy that.
Minimums.
Landing. Check.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Good. Reverser is green. And we're going to go left on Victor. Roger.
AirPod 2, turn left on Victor, left on Alpha, cross right 1 on Alpha, then taxi Lima Papa to signature west, remain as frequency.
Left vector, left alpha, cross runway 01 on alpha, and remain this frequency, airport 2.
Okay.
Fluxjet 574.
And after landing checklist, please.
After landing.
Down by 905, cross runway 6 at Golf and continue via Lima.
Cross runway 6 at Golf, continue via Lima, turn flight 905.
Which Fluxjet was calling?
That was the Fluxjet 574.
574, you have to call a clearance on.
Yeah, you can leave the lights on because we're crossing the runway anyway, and you can start the AP.
Alright.
Alright, we'll go.
Right side's clear, left side's clear.
Right's clear.
Okay, my side's clear.
Fine, looks clear.
You?
Lights are on. And I didn't hear him say Lima Papa. I'm gonna confirm with him.
Sure.
So we get off.
And Tower, airport 2, just confirming Lima Papa 2, signature west.
Airport 2, affirmative.
Roger, thank you, Leo. Airport.
Tower flight 905, new departure frequency 120.15.
2015 and turn flight 905, thanks.
Teterboro Tower, hello, this is Kramer 1404, log captured for runway 06.
Kramer 1404, Teterboro Tower, winds are calm, runway 6, clear to land, safe park.
Runway 6 clear to land, parking is signature west to Kramer 1404.
Teterboro Tower, Teterboro 711 on Gulf East extension. Like to request repositioning aircraft and tow from Gulf East extension to the hangar 12.
Looks like everyone's sleeping here.
Teterboro 711, copy, roger. Taxi Golf, cross runway 1 on Golf, then right
Always
on
amazing
Lima,
how many airplanes
short
are there
runway
here.
6.
Crazy.
Cross runway 1 on Golf and turn right on Lima and holding
Alright, I
short
see our guy.
on Lima, Teterboro 711
Yep.
company.
Lights are off, right?
Lights are off. Taxi light's still on.
You can turn off the taxi light. Oop, sorry. So he wants us over there somewhere.
Yeah, probably gonna bring us
And you can swap the bleeds.
to the Papa Mike.
Sure.
Down flight 905, traffic on a 5-mile final for runway 6, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 6 clear for takeoff, turn flight 905.
905, verify runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Clear on the right.
Down flight 905, verify read back, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1 clear for takeoff, turn flight 905. And Fluxjet 574 ready taxi from Fluxjet with Alpha.
That's 574, Teterboro Tower, runway 1, taxi via Quebec, hold short runway 1.
1 via Quebec, hold short of 1, Fluxjet 574.
Alright.
Okay.